Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and buenas noches. Welcome to Wednesday second game between Transformer Force versus Kamayan Hit. Starting five of Kamayan Hit, wearing jersey number 5, Joshir Hassan. Jersey number 13, Paul Molina. Jersey number 77, Alboy Sena. Jersey number 9, Anthony Guachin. And jersey number 030, Orgeles. Starting five of Transformer Force. Jersey number 0, Aldrin Espina. Jersey number 8, Himley Kong. Jersey number 1, Raymond Tan. And jersey number 21, Joseph Romanate. And jersey number 3, Ryan Bayo. Good luck, both teams.
Welcome to the Wednesday League second game between Kamayan Hit versus Transformer Force. Kong, 3 points. Grabe. 3 points is brought to you by Centralia. Alboy Sana, step backs, no good. Rebound by Bayot. Tan, pass to Kong, to Espina. Back to Kong. Raymond Tan. To Espina. Fires the 3. Rebound by Orgeles. Molina, good for 2. 3 points rather. By Molina, 3 points is brought to you by Go Fitness. Molina to Alboys. And there's the foul.
Jersey number 5, Joshir Hassan. And there is a foul on jersey number 1, Raymond Tan. First personal foul.
First personal foul on Raymond Tan. He completed a 3-point play by Joshir Hassan. Raymond Tan. Raymond Tan, no good. Molina to Hassan. Hassan.
Basket and one. Jersey
Foul.
number 5, Joshir Hassan. And there is a foul on jersey number 3, Ryan Bainot. First foul.
First personal foul on Ryan Bayot. At the line again, jersey number 5, Joshir Hassan. No good for the last throw. Free throw. Steal by Orgeles. Alboy Sana, Alboy. Steal by Espina. Espina to Kong. Good for 2.
Good for 2 points.
Alboy Sana.
Single, 7 seconds, the shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot. 5.
Oh boy. No good. Kong to Joseph Romarate. Romarate. No good. Hassan. Hassan. Long two.
Anthony Watchin.
Watchin. Goal for two. Kim Lee Kong fires a 3, no good. Rebound by Bayot.
Ryan
For
Bayot
two.
with
Bayot.
42 points. And shoot!
Boy, sana no good. Rebound by
And shuffle!
Anthony Quatchi.
Anthony Watchin with 42 points.
3 points. Grabe. 3 points is brought to you by Binala de Zamboanga.
40 shooting. And
Raymond
shoot!
Tal, no good.
Come on, you people.
Joshua Hassan.
14.
No good on Molina. Raymond Tan.
Raymond Tan.
Good for 2. And there's a foul, and there's another foul.
Jersey 1, Raymond Tan. Second, first foul.
6 lang kayo, Nash? 6 lang kayo? Oh, good on the first free throw.
Jersey the point, Joshua Hassan, and the free throw line. 5 and 18 seconds.
Edi wow po.
Espina, good for 2.
Espina, a 42 points. Shooting. And 5 shooting. 24 seconds shot clock violation.
24,
Official
24, shot
score
clock.
11-14, Kabayan hit. Shooting.
Raymond Tan, assisted by Joseph Romarate. Good for 2. Joshua Hassan, good for 2. There's a foul.
Jersey number 9, Anthony Watchin, first personal foul.
First foul on Quachin.
2 shots.
The line jersey number 8, Kim Lee
One
Kong.
jersey number 8, Kilo Kong on the free throw line.
First basket.
Nay, talama. Mira, uwi kita naman. Ito tin naman tambay break.
Oh boy, sana.
13 lang.
Still by Raymond Tan. Good for 2 by Raymond Tan.
Official score, red up, 16-0.
Ay, di ba?
Oh boy. To Anthony Quachin. Pass to Asan. Asan to Alboy.
And shoot.
3 points by Alboy Sana. Ryan Bayot to Joseph Romarate. Romarate to Raymond Tan.
Your first 2 points. Minutes and 30 seconds.
Boy, fires a 3. No good. Rebound by Kim Picong. Joseph Romarate. Raymond Tan. Basket is good. Assisted by Joseph Romarate.
2 minutes 15 seconds. And shoot.
Alboy. 3 points by Alboy Sana.
Your first
Grabe. 3 points is brought to you by Tough Barbershop Sambuanga.
14 shooting.
Kimberly Kong.
10 shot ball.
Steal by Anthony. Steal by Espina. Kong. To Raymond Tan. No good. Asan. In and out. Alboy Sana. Iniwan. No good.
1 minute and 13 seconds.
Joseph Romarate. Pass to Kong. Nasobra. Ang pasa.
Remaining time 1 minute.
1 minute. Seconds to play.
55 seconds.
Alboy to Anthony. Anthony. Pass to 3. No good. Rebound by Raymond
45
Kong.
seconds. Joseph.
Good for 2 by Romarate.
35 seconds left.
Alboy
10
Sana.
seconds.
And there's a foul on jersey number 0.
Turner Ordiales first.
Ordiales foul. First personal foul on Ordiales.
25 seconds. 20 seconds. 14 shooting.
Kong. Pass to Espina.
10 shooting.
Espina. No good.
10
Rebound by Raymond
seconds.
Tan.
5.
Yeah.
Ball.
Espina. Espina. End of the first game.
That is
First
the
quarter,
end of
rather.
the period. The official running score 25-22 in favor of Kamoyan Heat.
Hindi ito.
Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Nash Omar. Ayun.
Josh Omar.
Yun na yung pamatay sunog. Hindi Nash Omar mga mid-range jumper.
Unang bitaw ni Nash, pasok.
Briones.
Briones, good for 2. Our import player of this month, Mr. Nash Omar.
42.
Leo Campo.
And shoot.
Briones no good. Briones pa rin.
Same ball, possession, 9 seconds to the shot clock, 9 seconds to shoot. Five, 4 seconds shot clock, 4 seconds to shoot.
Leo Campo, floater. Basket is good by Leo Campo.
Peter De Ocampo gave 32 points. 14 to shoot.
Espina to Kong.
And shot clock.
Kong to Espina.
5 to shoot.
No good. Rebound by Macrohan. Macron to De Ocampo.
Peter
3 points. 5 De Ocampo.
points.
Grabe. Time out na.
Okay.
Nash Omar.
14 shoot. 10 shot clock.
Black. Sorry, time out. Jones Parma
First
Force.
timeout. John Sparta Force with 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Official score 24-32. Kamayan Heat.
Publix ka rin sa second round niya ka rin. Gusto mo, boss?
Back to the bogey, remaining time 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Official score 24-32. Kamayan Heat, 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. 7,
Back to the ball game.
5.
Rebound by Briones. To De Ocampo. De Ocampo. Macron, wala na sa law. Turns to turnover.
Shooting
Nash Omar.
and shot clock.
To Raymond Tan. Raymond Tan.
Raymond
Basket is good. To Raymond Tan.
and shoot.
De Ocampo, no good. Rebound by Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Parang nilagay lang man sa board ang bola.
19 seconds on the shot clock.
Gregorio. Basket is good by Gregorio. Raymond Tan. No good. Gregorio. Macrohan, no good. Iban by Raymond Tan. Nash Omar. No good. Nash Omar, babawi. In and out. Raymond Tan. Basket is good by Raymond Tan. Kong. Macrohan.
14.
Deo Campo fires the three. No good. Rebound by Briones.
And shoot.
Deo Campo.
5.
Gregorio. Blocked by Bayot.
24 shot clock
24 shot clock
violation.
violation. Kong.
14 shooting. 10.
Raymond Tan floater. Rebound by Espina.
10 shooting.
Espina to Kong.
5.
Macrohan, no good. Nash Omar. And there's a foul on Briones. Substitution.
Substitution sub. Foul on jersey number 5. Joshua Hassan, first foul. First team foul. Ay, sorry. Brian Briones, rather.
Sorry, Kuya Joshua, sorry. Same number. No, hindi. Sorry lang.
Basket dos.
Dos, wala pa
Uno
kita.
lang.
Wala yung tira.
Time out, of course. Gregorio.
And shoot.
Coach!
Time out. John's Parma Force.
John's Parma Force.
Ele, Coach.
Foul on jersey number 18 will call. First na foul.
I just need a 5. Ano yung sabi? Ha? Expert ka na yun. Expert ka na yun. Ay, gali. Oo, okay to. Ano ba? Pwede man siya.
Ara, yan eh. Okay, bakit ka
Back to the bogey.
Gali, alam yung number. Ano yung pang-load?
Oo.
Ano yung load text lang? 09. Ara, yaw.
Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. In our first half of the second game.
Foul on jersey number 5, Briley Briones. Second personal foul. Second foul pa lang. Grade 1, second shot ball.
Raymond Tan.
Raymond Time.
Grabe.
Long ko lang.
Leads down to 1.
Under the ball, jersey number 0. Alvin Espina, first foul. First, second team foul.
Foul on Espina. At the line, jersey number 19, Peter Ocampo. Basket 1. Three-point lead by Kamayan Heat.
Same ball session, 48 seconds on the shot clock. 10 shooting.
Ryan Bayot, no good.
10 shooting.
Still by Nashomar. Nashomar, good for 2. Saver Macrohon, no good. Nashomar, good for 2.
Back-to-back 2 points. There's the best.
Basket count by Peter De Ocampo.
Basket count on jersey number 8, Kim Kong. Second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Kim Lee Kong. At the line, jersey number 19, Peter De Ocampo. He completed a 3-point play by Peter Ocampo. Ryan Bayot, no good.
2 minutes 10 seconds.
Macrohon, and there's a foul.
Call on jersey number 0, Espina, second foul. Warning for penalty, John, former Bulls. 2 minutes
Jersey number
8
0, second
seconds.
foul on Espina. Warning for penalty.
14 shooting.
2 minutes.
10
Back by
shooting.
Bayot. Nashomar, good for 2. Suabe, Nashomar. Grabe. We are deadlocked. That's score. 31. Macrohon.
And there's a basket
There's a
on the
foul.
jersey 34, Xavier Macrohon. Who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 1, Raymond Tan. Third
Raymond
personal
Tan.
foul.
The line, jersey number 34. Saver Macrohon at the line. He completed a 3-point play by Saver Macrohon. Ayan, 39 to 42. Kamayan Hits takes the lead on the first half.
30 shooting. 10 shot clock.
Kong, good for 2.
Kong.
Grabe. Leads down to 1. 41 to 42. Kamayan take the lead by 1 point.
10 shooting. Traveling violation. 7
There's a
play.
travel
56
violation.
seconds left.
Caused by our referee. Shout out to Back Federation of Zamboanga.
49 seconds. 14 shooting.
Still by Gregorio to De Ocampo.
Peter and Ocampo. 30 points. basketman.
Call.
30 seconds.
30 seconds in our first half.
14 shoot, 25 seconds.
Call.
10 shoot, 20 seconds.
Call. Fires the three. Bang, bang, bang.
Kong with 2 points.
44 all.
10 seconds.
10 seconds in our first half.
5.
Macrohon steps back on the mid-range, no good. And on the first half of this second game between Kamayan Hit versus Johannes Palma Force, and we will back after
That
the
is the
halftime.
end of the second period. Official running score and long 44 all.
Falta ora.
Mahina ang signal lagi. Bali mante. Bali mante. Back to the ball game starting for our third quarter. Hassan to Anthony.
Anthony Crochin
Good
with
for
2
2
points.
points. Grabe. So mainit na labanan ito. Kalaking lamangan ng Kamayan Hit. Pero Nasomar. Pero hinaya ng depensa at opensa ng Johannes Parma Force. Still by Johannes Parma Force. Joseph Manomanate. Kong. No good by Nasomar. Alboy Sana. No good. Rebound by Joseph Romarate. Nash Omar. Pull up jump. No good. Del Campo. To Alboy Sana. Back to Del Campo. To Macron. Del Campo fires a 3. No good. Rebound by Hassan. Hassan to Alboy. Surveying save ball possession.
5.
The Ocampo floaters. Let's go. Nash Omar. Nash Omar. No good.
And there's a ball on jersey number 34, Xavier Macrohon.
First person foul on Macrohon. Romarate. Defended by Hassan. Teo Campo.
14 shooting.
Teo Campo to Anthony. To Alway Sana. Mid-range jumper. No good.
Shooting. 10 shooting.
Basket is good by Kong.
Score lang ulit.
Deadlock 48. Deo Campo to Anthony, back to Deo Campo to Alboy Sana to Asan. And there's a foul on jersey number 21, Joseph Romarate.
Raymond time. Fourth foul, the Horn. 21 another. 21. Joseph Kumarate, first foul. Follow pa naman ako. Sorry lang.
Kuya, sorry. You were to sit down, walk out. You were to sit down, walk out. Wala na kasi pwede nila. Sorry.
Same ball possession, 19-7 on the shot clock. 14 shooting.
Kong fires the 3, no good. Rebound by Anthony. Macrohon to Alboy Sana. Alboy to Anthony, no good. Rebound by Romarate. To Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Good for 2. Munyin man.
Kuya, sorry.
Player Macrohon.
And shot clock.
To Alboy Sana. Alboy Sana. No good.
Oh!
Rebound by Nasamar to Joseph Romarate. Romarate to Espina. Espina fires the 3. No good. Still by Kong. No good pa rin. And there's a foul
Substitution sub.
on jersey number 9.
What's called that? Ball on jersey number 9, Anthony Quachin. Second personal foul. Working on the shot clock. Working. Second substitute.
Asomar, no good. Asomar pa rin. Joseph Romarate. Joseph Romarate, ang ganda. Grabing footwork yun ni Joseph. Coach Joseph Romarate. And congratulations on Coach Joseph Romarate as a new head coach of Comtech College. So siya ang bagong coach ng Comtech Zamboanga College. Romarate again. Romarate blocked by Hassan. Alboy. Peter De Ocampo to Macrohon.
14 shooting.
Alboy again to
And shot clock.
no good. Kong. To Joseph Romarate. Start time out. Kamayan hit.
Charge timeout. Kamayan Heat with 4 minutes and 34 seconds.
Sergey? Tangkalo balik.
Ako daw. Kasi Kevin Hernanda. Yaw lang yun.
Play ball.
So back to the ball game. So Peter De Ocampo to Gregorio to Macrohon. Macrohon to Asan. Basket is good. Grabe. Big man to big man. Ang labanan sa baba. Kong. Nashomar. Nashomar to Romarate. Nashomar fires a 3. Batman. Omar, 3 points. It's brought to you by Go Fitness and Dodong. Dong Inasal of Zamboanga. Alboy. Alboy sana to the Gregorio. Basket is good. Shout out Angelo Alburro. Ayon. And to my wife, Jade, Kyle Alburo, I love you. Raymond Tan to Kong. Kong. Basket is good by Kong. Grabe. Macron, basket is good. Nashomar guarded by Asana. Grabing rebound yun ni Macrohon. Macrohon to Gregorio. Sana to Hasan. Hasan. No good. Hasan pa rin. Joshir Hassan, good for 2. Tie score, 59 all.
3 minutes, 15 seconds. First team shooting. 10 shot clock.
Ryan Bayot, no good.
2 minutes.
Teo Campo, good for 2. Grabe ba? Still by Gregorio. Out of bounds by Nashomar. Kamayan hit. Simple possession.
Twenty-one seconds on the shot clock. 21 seconds to shoot.
Alboy Sana fires a 3. 3 points is brought to you by Tough Barbershop Zamboanga.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Romarate to Nashomar. Omar for 3. No good.
1 minute 18 seconds.
Macrohon. Macrohon.
Here, number 1. Very first
Strong move by Macrohon. Romarate.
1 minute.
Raymond Tan. No good.
55 seconds.
Aboy Sana to Peter Del Capo. Peter Del Capo. No good. Rebound by Bayot. Bayot to Raymond Tan.
Seconds.
Nashomar. Nashomar.
Seconds.
Basket is good by Nashomar.
35
Aboy Sana crossover. Pass to Gregorio. No good.
seconds.
Nashomar. To Jose Rorate. To Raymond Tan. Basket is good.
20 seconds left.
20 seconds left. Last shot out Kamayan hit.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
10.
Del Campo.
5. 4 seconds left.
And there's a foul.
Jersey number 17, Nash Omar, first foul. Second team foul. 4 seconds left.
4 seconds left to end our third quarter. No basket on De Ocampo on their first shot on the free throw.
4 seconds left. Not counted.
No basket on Romarate.
Dura pa ka mabilis.
Dura pa ma-release.
Romarate to Nash Omar. Nash Omar, mid-range jumper, no good. Alboy Sana.
40 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot.
Briones, no good.
Same ball possession, 12 seconds to the shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot. 10.
Ano ba sa 454? 17.
DM ba to yun?
To shoot.
Nash Omar, basket is good.
Omar.
454.
Hindi ko yung number dyan.
Alboy Sana.
8 to shoot.
Macron, rebound by Briones.
Tumaya! Tumaya! Yung okay sa ko, Josie. Yung okay sa ko, Josie. Baka mag-doble-doble.
Basket is good.
Basket.
Yes, basket!
65 kanina, abante 1 point, Kamayan hit. 5 to
Hassan to
shoot.
Macron, fires the 3, no good. Rebound by Kong to Espina. Out of bounds.
Substitution sub.
Substitution, 1 point lead of Johannes Parma for 67 to 66.
Oh, yung Logia.
Bante na po ang isa, ang Johannes Parma Force. Gregorio to Sana, no good. Rebound by O'Shea. Kong to Raymond Tan, pull up jump. Basket is good by Raymond Tan. Grabe. So, lead by Johannes Parma Force by 3, 69 to 66.
14 to shoot.
Gregorio to Peter De Ocampo, no good. Rebound by Hassan. Hassan.
Jahir
Good
Hassan.
for 2 by Hassan. Romarate.
14 shot clock.
Romarate to Nash Omar. Grabe.
Omar.
Grabe yung assist ni Coach Romarate doon. Yo, Campo.
14 shoot.
Gregorio.
10 shot clock.
Rebound by Romarate. Nash Omar.
Nash Omar.
Back to basket on Nash Omar. Sana.
14 shoot.
Time mo to.
George Bernard Kamayan Heat with 6 minutes 14 seconds. One time of left Kamayan Heat. One time of left.
Back to the ball game, 6 minutes and 10 seconds. To our final and last quarter. Nash Omar fires a 3, no good. Still by Raymond Tan. And there's a foul.
On the jersey number 19, Peter Del Campo. And there's a foul on jersey number 17. Nash Omar, second personal foul.
At the line, jersey number 19, Peter Del Campo. 2-point lead by Johan Sparma, 73 to 71. Nash Omar.
14 shoot.
Raymond Tan, no good. Dribbled by Peter Del Campo. Del Campo to Sana.
Alboy Sana.
For tie score, 73 all.
Official score level 73 all. Ten shoot. 5.
Macron to Alboy. Alboy fires a three, no good. Dribbled by Ryan Bayot. Pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar, good for
Nash
2.
Omar.
Grabe, swabing-swabe yung mid-range jumper niya. Dinadala niya talaga yung team niya. Takes the 2-point lead.
14 shoot.
Joel Sparma 4, 75 to 73.
Nice shot clock. 5
Gregorio.
shoot.
Rebound by Kong. Pass to Nash Omar. Nash Omar. Foul on jersey number 1.
Espina.
Time
Time
out.
out. Johan Sparma Force with 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Official score 73-75. 2.8 Johan Sparma Force. Paul, jersey number 1, Raymond Khan, court foul, warning for follow.
Back to the ball game. Honey Bunch, sabi ng Barker dito. Hassan, power move. Grabe.
Official score that was 75 all.
75 all.
To shoot. And shot clock.
National Mark, big shopper, basket is good. Grabe. Gregorio to the Ocampo, fires the 3, basket is good.
Ocampo with 3 points.
So, 1 point lead by Kamayan Hit. Change favor, 77 to 78.
Shoot.
Turnover by the Ocampo. Kong. That's Omar.
40. Then shoot.
Grabe yun, sayang. Gregorio to Hassan. Hassan to Alboy. Fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Camarate.
Nice.
That's good. Oh, fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Montan. Wala pa rin. There's a foul by Ryan Bayot.
Ryan Bayot. Second foul, 30 foul. One minute and 50 seconds.
1 minute and 50 seconds. Hassan.
Basket one by jersey number 5, Bashir Hassan. Basket one, foul on jersey number 21. Roma Rates, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Jones, former force.
So 77 to 80. Dagdagin mo pa ng isa. 81 to 77. Kamayan Hit takes the lead.
13-1 time of play. Remaining time, 1 minute and 40 points. First, back to 7-8-1. Peter and
Ocampo, good for 2. Grabing steal na yun.
30 shoot. Nash.
3 points by Nash Omar.
3 points.
3-point lead by Kamayan Hit. Saver Macron to Gregorio. Macron pull up, no good. Rebound by Kong. Kong to Nash Omar. Nash Omar
1 minute 14 shoot.
from Marate
And
to
shoot.
Raymond Tan. No good.
39 seconds.
39 seconds.
45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 40
14 on the
seconds.
shot clock.
10 to shoot.
10 to
35 seconds.
Oh, Boisano,
5
fires
to
at 3.
shoot.
Bang, bang, bang. Leads down up to 680 to 686.
14 to shoot. 20 seconds. 58.
Seconds.
Penalty.
Penalty.
13 seconds left. 13 score 80, 86, 6 points lead. Kamayan Hit.
So 13 seconds and the final period, 80 to 86.
Tres, timeout sila, Chene. Yung timeout boss, Chene pauno.
Basket 1, 87 to 80. So 80-87 leads by Kamayan Hit.
Back to the ball game. Seconds played. 13 seconds left. No more timeout for John's Colonel Force. No more time left.
Back to the ball game, 13 seconds.
Ten seconds. First team foul 77. First foul, first team foul. 9 seconds left.
9 seconds.
Five.
Good for two by Hassan. So winner of the second match, Kamayan Hit. Congratulations of the second match. That's all for the Wednesday League. Thank you for watching and please like and follow the page of Liga de Azul Wednesday League and IABL page. Thank you for watching. This is your commentator Jasper Ignacio. Bye bye.